So do not get lost trying to memorize the alphabet of a new language. It may do you little or no good, and you will spend the time you would have used to learn other things memorizing alphabets. So what do? Learn the pronunciation, like I said. Try to compare with the alphabet of that language you know how to speak best. In fact, when you do contrastive analysis of two languages, it will help you to learn your target language faster than you ever imagined. Are you going to practice this? I would like to see you do it, and you'll be amazed at how you would go. Now, let me give you an example. In French, we have 6 vowels. In English, we have 5. In Igbo, we have 8. Now, let's start with English. English has 5. That's the list. 5. That's A, E, I, O, U. I may not pronounce it as our diction teachers would, but I'm not a diction teacher anyway. So we have A, E, I, O, U. That's the English vowel. Then for French, we have A, E, I, O, U. Then we also have H. H is a vowel in French. There are other special characters anyway, but I'm just talking about the basic ones. Then for Igbo, we have A. That's A. A, E, I, O, U, O. It's quite simple. Just repeat your A, E, I, O, U. Then the I will have a sister. Let's call it a sister. The I will have a sister, and that sister will have a dot under it. Then the O will have a sister with a dot under, and then the U will have a brother with a dot under. I want to bring gender balance actually. So that is it. If you're able to know these similarities, then your language journey is made easy.